Morning, everybody. Malopa again here. Guys, I would like to welcome you guys back to the channel. Of course, those that are new, do yourself a favor and click the subscribe button. Now, guys, let's talk about the special that we're currently running for 1,500 rands, which is $100 for all internationals. Now, the special has been running for the past 2 days. So you are only left with 3 more days before we close the special, as you only had 5 days. I've given you guys 5 days to take advantage of the special so that you can get your hands on this robot. On the special, which is 1,500 rand, which is $100 for all internationals. Now, with this opportunity that I've given you, you must realize that it's an opportunity that comes once in a long time. So this is a month-end special to help those of you who don't have the robot, but you want to get your hands on the robot, but you can't pay the original price. So this price is supposed to be there to assist you get the robot on a discounted price and a low convenient price. So that's what it is. So it's 1,500 rands for all local clients, and it's $100 for all internationals. Now, with that being said, you must realize that you must be in a position where you are willing to make money. You are in a position where you want to make money. So I'll be there to assist you. If you've never installed the robot before, that's not a problem. I will help you install a robot. I will also help you with understanding how to use the robot. That being said, you need a laptop to operate the robot, and you need to be connected to the internet. When you have those 2 things, then you are in a position of being able to trade properly with the robot. That's what it is, guys. Again here from me to you. It's all peace and love, but don't forget, you need a laptop and you need internet access. Get your account funded and I'll be able to help you. 1,500 rands is $100 for all internationals. Let's work, let's push together, guys, and I will be there to assist you with everything. Cheers, guys. See you on the other side.